Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to create a Google account now. Make sure your device and internet are connected and a recovery email or phone is available. Once ready, open accounts. Google. And tap Create Account. Pick for myself unless you need a business profile. Enter your name, then choose a unique username. This is your new Gmail address. Make a strong password and confirm it. You're taking the first real steps. Keep a secure note of the username and password so you don't lock yourself out later. Now you'll complete the detailed fields. Type your legal name, chosen username, and a password you won't reuse elsewhere. Once done, add a recovery phone and a backup email to restore access if needed. These steps matter for security and account recovery. Then enter your birth date and optionally select gender. When prompted, verify your phone by entering the SMS code. Make sure your phone has Signal and check messages promptly. After verification, you'll be prompted to continue to privacy and terms. Complete the setup by reviewing the terms and privacy settings, then accept to finalize the account. You should immediately enable two-step verification for better protection. Add backup codes and a secondary email so you can recover access quickly. Once done, customize sync and privacy preferences to control data and synchronization across devices. If Gmail opens and you see your new address, you're finished. Troubleshooting tip. If verification SMS fails, try a different phone number or request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.